Hi guys, my name is Stefania. Welcome to my channel. So I am not used to filming this early. I only have 1 cup of coffee, which I need 3 to function, and it's still early. So I ran out to my Sephora today because Fenty dropped their diamond collection, which includes a highlight and a gloss. So I picked up both of those. So I want to do a quick review on both of those products. I love Fenty's line. I always buy a lot of stuff from them. I love the original gloss bomb, so I'm really hoping I love the lip gloss in this. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, hit that button. I always hit like point down. I don't know if it's really there, but you know, somewhere around here. Hit the button and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. I do upload multiple times a week, and I would just love to have your support. So let's go ahead and get into this video. Okay, so we are going to play with this stuff together, just a little bit of information. This comes in this glitter packaging, the highlighter. It is $38. I purchased mine from Sephora. I think you get it from Sephora and Fenty online. I know that packaging is not important, but it was really cute. And it's like glitter. It feels like glitter. So 38 bucks, and this is called How Many Carats? Diamond Bomb All Over Veil, super fine 3D sparkle for face and body, insane diamond dusted effect. So we will see. We will see. And then I also picked up the gloss, which comes in this packaging, same as the other one. And this is just like a clear type gloss. So let me go ahead and do swatches for you guys, and then I cannot wait to put these on my face. And I did not even swatch these in store. I just like threw them in a cart and I was like, okay, I'm good to go. So I'm trusting that I'm gonna love these. All right, so one thing I do love about Fenty, I love that you get a good amount of gloss. I have been using her other one for months now, and it's still got a pretty good amount. So 18 bucks, and it does last you a really long time. Okay, so the only thing I would say is maybe this is more of a topper, whereas the other one I really just wear as a lip gloss with nothing else on most of the time, because it has some color, where this is more just like a clear gloss with glitter. One thing I do really like, I think these are shea butter, so they're super, super comfortable. I'm not going to read the ingredients. It just says Active Shine Nourishing Wear. So I would say they're very hydrating. And yes, I'm excited to put this on my lips. Now let's go into the highlight. So you can put this all over your body, cheeks. I am a little bit worried. This is usually not something I would pick up for my skin tone. However, Fenty does a really good job of making things pretty universal. So we will see what happens. But it feels really nice. It feels really nice and soft. And then let's swatch there. So that's, there's the swatch right there. That's glitter.
That was glitter. Glitter.
Like, we'll see how it looks on the cheeks. I am happy that it doesn't come with, I didn't really want a white undertone to it, kind of like Becca Pearl. I never bought or buy stuff like that just because on my skin tone, it just does not look good. So let's see how this applies. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the highlight first, because this is what I'm most excited about. But I do have a few Verlight highlights. I don't have a lot, so I can't really compare them. I got a lot from the Beach Please collection, so they're definitely not a normal highlight to where I could compare it. But this does feel like a completely different formula. It is so much softer. I don't want to press into it, but it almost feels like it could be one of those putty highlighters. You know what I mean? So I'm going to take it with the JH09 Morphe, the Jaclyn Hill. That was my last, or one of my last videos. If you guys want to see the full brush collection, then check it out. I'll put it up there. But I am still continuing to try to use these brushes as much as possible to get my money's worth. Okay. Does anybody else ever get tired of putting on highlight? Like, I don't. It's like the best part of makeup. But I will say, I think I like it. Like I said, I like that it's not white based. So I think, put some on the Cupid's bow. Just gonna kind of dust it over here. Let's also see. I like it. I'm just looking at myself in the monitor and forgetting to talk. But yeah, I like that it's not white. It looks like that nice wet look, but I don't also feel like it's just like glitter on my face. Like, I'm really liking the way that it's actually applying. So I don't think I should go more than that, but I'm gonna kind of just lean in so you guys can really see. But it gives that wet effect without being, I mean, it is glitter. I would say if you don't like glitter, don't get it. But it's not like as glitter as much as I like thought it was gonna be. Does that make sense? You know what I mean? Like, I thought it was gonna be like a patchy glitter mess. Just, you know, I didn't know what to expect. When looking at the pan, I was like, what is this? But I'm really liking this. And like I said, like, I don't have a very light skin tone, so I feel like, yeah, yes. So I also want to see what it looks like packed on the lid. So let's go in. I'm just gonna take a flat brush. This is the JH41. And I'm just going to apply, just give, I think this is a really nice like topper. Like, if you wanted it to use on the eyes, I like that it would just give your, whatever look you have, just a little bit of extra punch. That's pretty. I would like, if you, yes. Okay. Let's take a little tiny brush and just do the inner corner. I will say for the inner corner though, if you're used to using like a white, you know what I mean, like we usually all do, this isn't, it doesn't have a white base, so you may not like it for that purpose, but I think it makes a really pretty like shadow topper in general. So just so I can scoot up again, you guys can see what that really looks like. Okay, let's do one more thing because I'm just gonna take it on a big brush and we're gonna put some glow on the collarbone. But yeah, this is what I like about most of her products. They're always multi-use. They're usually not like something you could just use one place. So I like that she really thinks about that, and it really makes it worth your money compared to just like a normal highlight. We're gonna do the boobies for no reason. I ain't going nowhere, but I don't care. I will just be excited to look. All right, so let's go ahead and try out the gloss. So I did go ahead and just do like a pink lip liner, just because, like I said, it doesn't have a base to it. So let's see. And it's fine if you don't like a base, that's totally fine. But for me, for lighter lip glosses, I like to have my lips lined. Super smooth. I love the doe foot applicator on these. But yeah, her same formula as the other one, super hydrating. I really like how they feel on the lips. Like, I could wear this, it's not gonna get caught in my hair. I hate that. I hate the goopiness of certain lip glosses. And it's just nice. It just gives your lips a nice shine. The glitter, it's not too noticeable in it. So there is a close-up. Okay, so overall I would say the highlight is definitely my favorite out of the two products. The lip gloss, I'm still keeping it. I think it's a really pretty, and most of all, I just love the formula. My lips just, yes, it feels like such a hydrating gloss, and for me that's important because my lips look really bad. I really did not want to do that close-up. I would say the only thing I tried to go through my collection to see if there was anything comparable to the highlight, and I really couldn't find much. So I like that it's unique. I'm happy that I can't compare it to anything because Lord knows I don't need any more highlighters. But I would kind of compare it to the Natasha Denona if you have like this large blush palette. It is kind of similar to that, but this is even more glittery. So I'll do a swatch for you guys right next to it so you guys can really see. And this is the diamond powder in that. And I'll use this over a top of another highlighter, but I don't ever use it alone. And And I must say that so this is the Natasha Denona compared to the Fenty. Natasha, you can feel the glitter as you kind of swipe it, whereas the Fenty is so smooth, you don't feel any type of glitter, which I like. I don't like gritty, you know, textured things. I don't know. But overall, yeah, I would definitely suggest picking this up. 38 bucks, I mean, that is a highlighter price. That's the same price as Becca's. And then the lip gloss is 18, which is also comparable to other brands. So I don't think anything was overpriced. And I think this is a very universal type shade. Obviously, if you don't like beaming highlights like makeup addicts do, you're not gonna like this. Like, I would say, like, this is like a night out, like, look at me, you know? That type of highlight. So if you like those types, you'll be very happy. But I was pleasantly surprised that it wasn't all glitter. Like, it doesn't look like just glitter on my face. It just gives that nice metallic sheen. And then close up, you can see little glitter flecks, but it's not like, I don't feel like this is gonna move around my face where, you know what I mean? Like when you put on glitter and then you look an hour later and you're like, that transferred everywhere. I don't feel like this is gonna do that. I don't see anything else other than the places I applied it. So yeah, go get it. Go get you one. And that is gonna be it for this video. I just want to be quick, easy, and I just wanted to put it on my face, to be honest. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave me a comment down below if you guys are gonna pick this up or what you guys think. Are you guys like, girl, you crazy? Or are you like, yes, I'm gonna go get that. So just let me know your thoughts. I always like to read them. And please give this video a like if you like these quick little reviews. Don't forget to subscribe after my whole spiel, and I will see you guys in the next video.
I'm hoping if I keep doing this, it's going to make me look like I have really nice collarbones, but I don't. And two, I was really scared of lifting my arm, that's why I didn't put it all down my arm, because I have no idea if I shaved my armpits today. Like I said, it's early.